Hi, I'm Matt, and on today's Matt's World DIY, I'm making a delicious beef ravioli with pesto sauce. It's delicious, it comes together quickly with only 6 ingredients, so let's get to it. The first thing I'm going to do, get my water ready for my beef ravioli. So I have water in the pot, it's getting ready to boil, and I'm gonna put just about a teaspoon of salt in there, get that ready. When it comes to a boil, put your ravioli in, and we'll go from there. While I'm waiting for my water to come to a boil, let's go ahead and peel and dice up some garlic. So I have about 2 cloves of garlic here. Whoa. Smash, smash, and then they come right out of their little paper peeling. So easy. I love it. Before I learned that trick, garlic was a hassle, but it really doesn't have to be. It does not have to be at all. After you've taken the skin off the garlic, it's time to chop, chop, chop. You want to mince this fairly fine because you don't want to end up having major garlic pieces in your mouth. I also have 2 Roma tomatoes that I'm going to chop. It's already smelling like an Italian restaurant in here. Just with the chopped garlic and tomatoes, I feel like I'm there. Next step, I'm going to take my tomatoes and I'm going to add about half of this garlic to the tomatoes along with some salt and pepper. So just maybe about a teaspoon of salt, maybe a little less. And I'm going to crack some fresh black pepper into it. And this is salt and pepper to taste. So whatever makes you happy, that's what you do. To this, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. And what we're going to do is we're going to let this sit and marinate while our ravioli cooks in the water. Then we do the pesto stuff. So I'm going to set this to the side and get my ravioli ready. While I'm waiting for my water to boil, you know, what's the saying? A watched pot never boils. It's so true because it's like it's taking so long. Anyway, while I'm waiting for my water to boil, I want to talk to you about the ravioli that I'm using. I'm using a pre-packaged ravioli. I have not made my own. I'm not going to do that. But when you select your ravioli that you want to use, find something that you feel is unique and is going to taste good to you. I've selected a beef and red wine reduction ravioli for today. I expect that this is going to be very good. I opened up the package, smells delicious. I can't wait to cook it up and enjoy. So just select one that you think you might enjoy and go with it. The other thing I want to point out to you, in order to make this meal so easy, I'm using a prepackaged pesto sauce as well. Now, if you want to get your pine nuts, get your basil, do your Parmesan and the oil and the garlic and all that kind of good stuff, and make your own pesto sauce, kudos, do it. I'm using a prepackaged one. There's many on the market that are so delicious and really good quality. So you do your choice of make it yourself or buy it prepackaged. It's totally up to you. Like I said, I want to simplify things for myself today, so I'm using a prepackaged ravioli, prepackaged pesto sauce. It's going to be great. Something I would like to mention is that if you've been watching my channel and you like the content, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. You know it's a struggle with the algorithms to make everything happen so that my channel will grow. So every time you like a video or leave a comment, this works in our favor. So thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to our future growth together. Thank you so much. So I've made a realization. My little hot plate here is not powerful enough to get my water to come to a nice rolling boil. So I've placed my pot on the stove, and I'm going to have to cook my ravioli back here. So my water has come to a boil, and I've placed my ravioli in, and they're going to cook in there for about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, my time is up on these ravioli, but before I drain them, I'm going to just pull about a 1/4 cup of the boiling water and then strain my ravioli in a colander and then put them right back into the pot that they were cooking in. One thing I want to caution you about is don't overcook your ravioli. If you do, they'll start falling apart and the insides will come out and that type of thing. Since my ravioli is cooked, I'm going to add my pesto sauce to it. When my pesto sauce is in there, I'm going to stir it around a little bit just to mix it up. I'm going to do that gently so that they don't like disintegrate on me. Then I also want to put in about half of my Parmesan that I've got. Also, I'm going to put a little bit more pepper on it. So now I'm ready to plate it up. I'm going to top it with a little extra Parmesan. Parmigiano. Don't forget your marinated tomatoes, your tomato garlic mixture. Put that on top. This adds another extra element of freshness to your dish. Serve this up with a nice side salad and some garlic bread, maybe a glass of vino or whatever your drink of choice is, and enjoy. You've got to give this recipe a try. It is superb. The beef ravioli, the marinated tomato with garlic, the pesto sauce, such a lovely combination. You're sure to enjoy this. I hope you like this video, and if you do, like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other videos I have on my savory playlist. I'll see you next time.